Abdul Fattah Safiu ene mi wie sem no e wa ha mi wie sem no wa ha tempi na aba on Abdul Fattah Safiu they do baby I want to say present say take because there are news that you are supposed to bring out and what you are not supposed to bring out. Now let's start the conversation. Fattah Safiu availability no, the conversation started through one Asante Kotoko fan and a contacted coach Akwesi Appiah. Good. A contacted coach Akwesi Appiah no, about the availability of Abdul Fattah Safiu. So he available. So bet me any Kotoko aye adwuma. Good. I can confirm it to you that I have evidence that proves say Midiama na omo conversation na Midiama ewo conversation omo de omo jimu. Good. But Kotoko being big etimi fa boy no ahead of Midiama. Bacho wuti nkomo no ahead of Midiama. Boy ni flama no ne bae. Asante Kotoko chite ni ba ko won kran me kofa no. Man bibia de ne ba kumase. Obehia de IMC in Nana Penkra Kwesi Awua, Coach Ogum and Akwesi Appiah. The only IMC member now on your present was Openina your friend Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi. Inti omuwie ye no na omu drafted contract edema Abdul Fattah Safiu so ghosted. Fattah hosted the contract no at that time terms and conditions na and I could go free no e ma ne buy obey the first part of medicals. I'm using the technical words I'm picking from a source. The first part of medicals. First medicals no mo ye eno MRI scan enka ho kan me na me body tougher in a different way the amount. Oko training when timi wie training no Abdul Fattah Safiu entimi enwie training no tieniye. Now training no when timi enwie no asemo na no na scan epiem ewo nkomodie no makandada maka mkutwa scan it twice na minya info say apart from doctor or the man specialist for Germany no almost had them doctor bia wachi din pa o Ghana ha or a football doctor. I'm just saying football doctor and you say but or a doctor about football munsema central for anything komo. They showed him the results and also the same report in the buy say a surgery bit my boy and abo. Now last time the position of the club obi o say obed e wo porcupine stand biano. The position of the club ni gina so nie. Good. The club they still want to terminate. Fans na divided. Player ni gidi say obetimi aye train and recover. Me kan ni nyina akere. Club no decided say contract no betwam. Omo the letter na my boy. Na nyame ado through our source yenya portions of Abdul Fattah's contract. And I can confidently tell you here, say, my Canada, said I got a protection clause and a contract. Me na me be cancer asem no. And then me sa catch will say, and no credit say omo yi free mu ehim. And first, me source am gina me kan, they say the mehu. The protection clause. And no na Kotoko official letter. Omo tro de ma Abdul Fattah Safiu. Omo determinate contract. Omo quote the clause no. the Branchen. And I'm explaining the clause as against their course during this period. Our multimillionaire so terminate the contract. Sanity. The fact with the energy. The position of Asante Kotoko say, men can't one said there can be no legal battle. I bet Koswa at the end of the day, may implicate Kotoko. Ama Kotoko will be forced to make any payment to Abdul Fattah Safiu. That is what the sources are saying. And the dear Miss Muhu Yena me kenkan stamp siso. Say we are Kotoko chite nya obetimi anda. Na nya de a ochine bi court sembi beba ama ya ba chechere Asante Kotoko aboduam se oman toto omo nyoma yi. Na I hope some penifo be sua de afri. Na next time crosses no omo fanshim no mumie mu pa. To the player, the camp of the player is telling me that they will test the laws. And me grab baby, me grab player, me red team. So the camp of the player is telling me that they will test the laws. And so send ye in the coming days when it comes to Abdul Fattah Safiu. Common nti aware na gu Kotoko say bibia ntimi nsi. Fattah also say okay obe test the laws na here, but and then Mray Abraham record the video and I know for sure say Asante Kotoko company for be brain Fattah will say listen, it's not necessary. Let's see how best you can recover and continue your life as a footballer. But I don't know whether he will listen to the advice or he will not listen to the advice. Mamenko Richmond Lamptey. Kotoko started contract renewal. Talks with Mukwala and Richmond Lamptey. I can confirm it to you here on Porcupine. Stand. Porcupine stand. Say confirmed that Kotoko started contract renewal talks with Richmond Lamptey and Steve Mukwala. Na si wanyum baby say oba na peme na mesume dono nso akwa bi abehye yentamu ese nneoma onzo utie na si ni guru nyom no boys na kawo si akume sume dono so akwa bi abehye yentamu se nneoma wo Libya for no after say Kotoko demanded $300,000. I think it's the same way aka also bet 100 contract now fano. New proposal you bet me the amount wa hani say omo ka kira Asante Kotoko play a fan Richmond Lamptey. So my man $50,000 assigning on fee. So or decided say on extending the contract no and ma Asante Kotoko $50,000. Okay. A former Ghana cedis no and a current Ghana cedis and rate dollar no at 11 cedis. There's a former Ghana cedis no 550,000 Ghana cedis. Current 550,000. Old no 5.5 billion if you had 11 cedis and it didn't come out because almost saying come 200,000 ma Kotoko dollars na. At the same time, maybe I'm come ma Lamptey signing on fee kakra plus salary. But say no, on my so I'm saying fin. I'm a Lamptey's contract renewal to man I had thing at the ama Kotoko. Say so more try whisper go abrante na sum say you more $50,000 to men sign it. But you know bo say league in the plan a bit me omagia any omonje. But don't extend the contract. Me wua yen ye be more 50,000 signing on fee. You are your salary of $8,000. It's only a free 7,000 and it go $8,000. any idea me pick agent, the Tunisian agent. Now or no lead deal no. Busu ni Lamptey didn't promoted. And he Kotoko started talks with Lamptey, but the big question is, will Richmond Lamptey extend his contract? And can Asante Kotoko give Richmond Lamptey the right offer? Ebema Lamptey decided to say Obetwaso na wesi akama Kotoko because the Kotoko decides to Lamptey 20,000 Ghana cedis a month. Feno 220,000 Ghana cedis, which it might not even be up to the signing on fee. To agent, a proposal the auto Richmond Lamptey. Ukraine say, I can tell you here, say Richmond Lamptey's contract renewal a be thing. Eddie Asante Kotoko. Main Kasa is not possible, but a bad thing because Lamptey have no problem playing for Asante Kotoko. Kotoko need any problem renewing the contract of Lamptey. Nemo akwabia bijinan tem ese nyoma. Tina na me to na si nyoma na tira oni guru. Se oba ne peme mesume dono so akwabia be se yentemu se nyoma. Sikasam so de sika de nipa bedu akire pa. Na ya ka kiram say Lamptey family no, especially the father. Inya ya nka Lamptey enye Libya na so ko. Opese Lamptey boma Kotoko because the family is grateful. Many chidi Kotoko yemo but sika no etimi ma be ma yoba. Enti update ewo ho from Abdul Fattah Safiu Richmond Lamptey. And then also my dad chiri at the amount Mukwala and I saw dang Steve Mukwala and also I saw dang why is a Sonny Yakuba no on Baba born kama amount on my YouTube platform ni on say a two side of the coin, you giving him the platform and he using the platform to man the platform now obe YouTube kama pa nemo say contract no ewua so betiase renewal ma on thing and Ukraine say Kuala renewing his contract for Asante Kotoko will also be tough for the club, just like a brand here your friend Richmond Lamptey also there because office our agents in presenting an agent no free player no the investment of the client in the ball form. And tis over bona boni year. Agenda Samba went to me and now I'm seeing transfer fee. I'm our club, na just signing on fee. Almost more clauses on the terminated contract. The financial a year burden no a year never some at the clubs. It was steady. Ghana Premier League and mostly for foreign players. Now agent and the mobile, all the players on free agent never. A young time for player or contracted back. Send your Ghanaian club up with the bomb the free agent number. To only yet trials now. So when you want sign or Nyadi and one terminating contract now. See, renewal of Lamptey's and Mukwala's contract will be a difficult one for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko friendly match and also a dear Nino. Everybody one of the Abro porcupine stand here on YouTube, watch Silver TV. You will share it. Bye bye.